Welcome to Infor CRM Mobile Development. Today is going to be an extension on part 1 where we set up our environment for mobile development. Today we're going to use IIS instead of the Node.js server. So let's get started. So in part 1 we created a C:\code mobile folder, and this is where we did a git clone on Argos SDK. We created a products folder and we created the Argos Sales Logics folder. I have mine in D drive, but the concept is still the same. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to open the IIS Internet Information Services Manager. We're going to expand the sites, and we have the default website, and we can see I have SData running locally, and I have it on port 80 and port 3333. So I'm going to go ahead and right click the default website. I'm going to add an application. I'm going to select the Sales Logics application pool. I'm going to give this an alias of mobile dev. And then I'm going to go to D drive code mobile. And this is going to be the directory, the root directory for the website. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And then I'm going to go to the directory browsing here, and I'm going to click enable. So now if I go to localhost 333 and then mobile dev, I will go into products, Argos Sales Logics, and we're going to get a server error. This is to be expected because the sub product folder here is not an application, so it can't process the default document that we have. So that's okay. So we're going to go ahead and type in index-dev.html. This is similar to part 1. And we can see the mobile site came up. And we have SData running here on port 333 as well. And one thing we're going to want to do here is test our SData endpoint to make sure that's working okay. So I'm going to go ahead and open a new tab here. I'm going to put in localhost, the port, SData, SLX, dynamic, hyphen, and then I'm just going to pick an entity. I'm going to use opportunities, and we're going to format it as JSON, and we're just going to select all the columns. And I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. You should get a basic authorization prompt. This is just a local development site, so I'm just going to select admin. Great, so SData is working properly. So now we're going to go back to mobile, and we're also going to log in as admin. And there we go. Now we're set up to use IIS as our development server. So all the steps from part 1 where we're running node run start from the Argos Sales Logics folder, you no longer need to do. Instead of localhost 8000, you're just going to use the IIS port, which is 3333. So that's going to be it for today's video. If you have any other development scenarios you want to see covered, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you.